Summertime staircases get a lot of hard use. If you plan to make any improvements or repairs, you want to make sure you keep them up to code. Railing code might seem like it's complicated, but ultimately it's just about keeping you safe. So let's go over the basics. I'm going to give you the suggested guidelines, but as always, you should check with your local code before you do any projects. First, the terms. This is called the handrail. This area right here, this row of balusters, is called a guard, and you're going to need a guard on any open side of a staircase that doesn't have a wall. And the reason for that is you need something to protect you from falling off or falling over. So it has specific heights and requirements. The handrail and the guard are frequently built together, and we typically call that a guardrail. So let me show you some measurements when it comes to handrails. For any flight of stairs that's 4 or more steps, you're required by code to have a handrail. That handrail should be 34 to 38 inches in height from the tread nosing. The tread nosing is the very front part of the tread. And the height is because that's an easy height for gripping. Now between the handrail and the wall, you should have 31.5 inches. And if you were to have 2 handrails, you need to maintain a minimum of 27 inches of clearance between the two. On the wall side, in here, in between the wall and the handrail, you need 1.5 inches to make sure you can get your hand in there, but no more than a maximum of 4.5 inches of projection into the stairwell. The other thing that's really important is you need to make sure you have a clear way to grip the handrail all the way up the stairs. Okay, the last couple of key code requirements I want to mention involve guardrails. Guardrails need to be a minimum of 36 inches high to prevent you from falling over. And the space between balusters. Balusters are these spindles that hold up the handrail. That needs to be no more than 4 3/4 inches. That's an important one for child safety. So there you have it. Keeping your railings up to code is an important part of keeping your staircase safe.